Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best sander sheets that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the 24 PCS Sandpaper Variety Pack for wood metal sanding. This sandpaper set includes 24 sheets of sandpaper in 12 grits, ranging from 120 to 3,000 grit. The sandpapers are 9 to 3.6 inches in size and can be easily cut into any shape. The grit specifications are printed on the back of the sandpapers for easy identification. They can be used for both wet and dry sanding and are perfect for handling odd jobs and small fasteners, such as removing scuffs and abrasions on walls, smoothing wood or mildew on toys or furniture, and refinishing handrails or lawn furniture. Moving on, at number 4 we have the 3M Wetordry Sandpaper. Get a smooth and polished finish with 3M Wetordry Sandpaper. This pack includes 5 sheets of assorted grits, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, and 2,500 that are perfect for clear coat sanding and paint defect removal. Whether you need to wet or dry sand, this sandpaper has got you covered. Its silicon carbide abrasive is self-fracturing, making it longer lasting than conventional sandpaper. Plus, it delivers a 10% smoother finish. The flexible backing and consistent scratch pattern make this 3M's best wet sanding product. Use it to finish and polish plastics, metal, and coatings. At number 3, we have the ProductionShop Premium 1x4 Sheet Sanding Sheets. The ProductionShop sanding sheets come in a convenient variety pack of 50, featuring a range of grits from 40 to 800. This assortment allows you to tackle various sanding tasks effectively, whether you're working on wood projects or automotive repairs. The durable aluminum oxide material provides a sharp cut that lasts longer, ensuring you can sand efficiently without frequent replacements. With a hook and loop backing, these sheets attach easily to your sanders and blocks, saving you time and effort during your projects. At number 2, we have the BOSHCRAFT 50 PCs 1x4 Sheet Sandpaper. BOSHCRAFT 50 PCs 1x4 Sheet Sandpaper is a premium sandpaper assortment that comes with 80, 120, 150, 230, 320, 400 grits for sanding wood, metal, automotive, and other surfaces. The sandpaper is 2x longer lasting than conventional abrasive papers, thanks to its premium aluminum oxide material. The sandpaper has strong adhesives, no-slip design, and an anti-clogging coating for a perfect polishing effect that increases productivity and saves costs. The sandpaper is suitable for use with hand, block, palm sander machine. And finally, at number 1, we have the Atosun 45 PCS Sandpaper. Atosun Sandpaper Set offers a variety of 45 sandpaper sheets in different grits, suitable for wood, metal, and automotive projects. Made from high-quality waterproof silicon carbide, these sheets are durable and won't tear apart during use. You can use them for both wet and dry sanding, making them versatile for different applications. The 9x 3.6 inch size and easy to identify grit markings on the back provide convenience. With a soft back design, they offer a good grip for smooth polishing with minimal effort. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.